Let's ship a real app today, and you don't need to know how to code. This is called vibe coding. You describe what you want, and AI writes the code, and you nudge it until it works. It's not magic, and it won't make you rich overnight, but it's a genuinely buildable skill. Here's the concrete step you can follow right now. Open an AI coding tool like Cursor, Bolt, or Replit. In the prompt box, type this: build me a simple to-do app where I can add tasks, check them off, and delete them. Use plain HTML, CSS, and JavaScript in one file. Hit enter. In seconds, you'll have working code. Now here's the part beginners skip. Read the output, run it, and when something breaks, paste the error back to the AI and say, fix this. That loop, prompt, run, fix, is the actual skill. Do it 10 times, and you'll start recognizing patterns. Once your app runs locally, deploy it. Drag your files into Netlify or Vercel, and you get a live link you can share in about a minute. That's it. You just shipped. Now, about money, because someone always asks. People who get good at this build small tools for local businesses, sell simple templates, or automate boring tasks for a fee. It's real work, and results vary wildly. There's no guarantee. What I can promise is that the person who ships 10 ugly apps learns more than the person who watches 100 tutorials. So don't aim for perfect. Aim for shipped. Build one tiny thing this week, put it online, and send me the link. If this helped, subscribe. We build something real every single time.